Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about luxury properties in the world, a breathtaking high-end villa on Palm Jumeirah linked to the legendary Lionel Messi. This is where football royalty meets architectural brilliance in one of the most exclusive addresses on the planet. Palm Jumeirah in Dubai isn't just another island, it's a global symbol of wealth and prestige. Shaped like a giant palm tree and stretching into the Persian Gulf, this man-made wonder is home to some of the world's most expensive real estate. And now, there's a villa on this iconic island that's grabbing headlines for its opulence and rumored connection to Lionel Messi. Let's take a closer look. Palm Jumeirah needs no introduction. This artificial archipelago has become synonymous with luxury living in the Middle East, attracting billionaires, celebrities, and elite investors from around the globe. Homes here offer private beachfront access, panoramic views of the Arabian Gulf, and direct line of sight to Dubai's most famous landmarks like Atlantis the Royal and the Burj Al Arab. This villa, reportedly associated with Messi's lifestyle portfolio, sits in one of the most desirable spots on the Palm, meaning it combines privacy with a level of exclusivity few properties can match. While Messi is more publicly documented for homes in France and the United States, the idea of him owning or renting a property on Palm Jumeirah has stirred massive interest online and across real estate circles. Whether it's his official residence or a future investment, it captures the essentials of ultra-luxury living. Dubai's high-end villa market has shattered records in recent years. One signature villa on Palm Jumeirah sold for a staggering 161 million AED, about $44 million, marking one of the priciest secondary villa deals of 2025 and underscoring the kind of value we're talking about here. Spanning over 10,000 square feet, properties of this scale usually include multiple living wings, entertainment areas, and bespoke interiors tailored to the owner's exact preferences. In the case of the Palm's most luxurious villas, you typically find everything from private cinemas and grand lounges to infinity pools overlooking the sea, amenities that seem perfectly suited to the lifestyle of a global superstar like Messi. Luxury on Palm Jumeirah isn't just about price, it's about lifestyle. These villas are designed to blur the lines between indoor elegance and outdoor beauty. Expect features like full beachfront access with private docks, infinity pools and water features, ultra-high ceilings and floor-to-ceiling glass walls, state-of-the-art kitchens and gyms, spacious master suites with panoramic views. Most of the elite villas here also include entertainment spaces like home theaters, wine cellars, and resort-like gardens, all set against one of the most stunning backdrops in the world. A property linked to Messi instantly becomes more than just real estate. It becomes a cultural moment. It reflects how elite athletes are shifting into global luxury markets, not just in sports, but in lifestyle and investment. Dubai, with its tax-friendly environment, world-class infrastructure, and celebrity appeal, is thriving in this space. Even if Messi's presence in this villa is rumored rather than confirmed, the association highlights how Palm Jumeirah stands as a top destination for high-net-worth individuals from every industry. So what do you think? Is this Messi's ultimate dream home, or is it an investment play in the world's hottest luxury market? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this inside look into superstar living and ultra-luxury real estate, hit that like button and subscribe for more high-end property tours. Until next time, live luxury, live large.